So this is the final output. In today's video as well, we'll be using the same old pictures. If you haven't seen them, go check out the last video where I explained the camera details and how to click the pictures. So let's get started. I've already logged in here. You'll find the create button on this site. Press it. We need a photogram, so select that. In the free version, you can use a minimum of 20 pictures and a maximum of 50. For videos, you can upload videos from 15 seconds up to 3 minutes with a maximum size of 60 gigabytes. And if you use the paid version, you can easily add more than 2,000 pictures here. But Poly will allow you to do that. Choose file system. Now, select all the pictures that we used during the last creation, and from here, select raw. We named it asset object. This means that your object will be selected in your environment. Sequential means that the pictures you clicked, whether you clicked them in sequence or not, if you did, they will appear in sequence. Click on the upload process, and this will also take a little time to upload. So our file has been processed. I clicked on it and look at the results. They are much better. The textures came out really well. Let's check it by exporting into Blender. Here there are some tools for remeshing if you want to use them, but I don't use remeshing here because the remeshed quality becomes very poor. So I leave it as is. You can remesh as you like and also choose the texture. Closed it. I don't need any special editor here because everything is normal. We downloaded it. When you download, if you have the free version, you only have the GLTF option. No other options are available. If you want, you can get the Pro version, but in my opinion, Pro is quite expensive. $29 per month. It's better to use reality capture. So that's done. In downloads, I import the file. So we need to select the point and download. Selected it. Look, there are 200,000 triangles in it, very detailed. And if we look at it in material view, you can see the material is extremely crisp. We can improve the quality even more. The better the pictures, the better the result. If you want, we can compare it with the result. Let's import the one from the Kiri engine. Look, I'll quickly align it properly. See, we've placed them side by side. On the left is our Kiri engine model, and on the right is the one from Polycam. You can see the texture quality, same pictures were used, not different ones. Look at the result of this one, and look at the result of that one. Side by side, the texture result from Polycam is much better. In the next video, we will cover reality capture. If you have any other questions, comment below, and I will cover them in the next video. Alright, see you then. See you in the next video. Thank you.